Hello friends, welcome back to the Coastal Vlogger channel, and for today's video we have with us the 99bookscart.com special mystery box pack. So I went through some 3 to 4 websites, that is kitabe.com, then 99bookscart.com and many more. So I have picked this right now, and I'll do unboxing of those also soon. So for now, this is the 999 wala mystery box where I don't choose any books. They send 15 books in total. So this is what I'll go to do. First I'll unbox this. Then I will give you a review on each and every book if I have read it. I hope all the books are not the ones which I already have. So please be with me. So for this I am using a common stationary blade. So it becomes more easier to open through, even at the sides. So the delivery came through an express service. So you can see open in one side. Yes. So a very beautiful book. So in this 99books.com, the thing is, they told me that they'll give stickers. Along with stickers, they'll give a poster also. So you can see the condition is not so good, but we can't say anything because obviously it's a great thing that only for just a very less price you get so many books. So first of all I will show you this individually. So bookmarks. So here I guess I got a coupon for not a coupon, a thank you card for buying from them. Apart from this, a mail also I had received a few days ago from the founder of 99 Books Card, telling that this goes to NGO, the money I paid. So it's a very good thing according to me. So this is a card. Then bookmarks. So different bookmarks, you can see different bookmarks. 99bookscart.com comes at the top. So these are all recycled bookmarks. When you touch them itself, I can understand recycled ones. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for 15 books, 5 bookmarks. Apart from that, 4 stickers and one poster. The poster's condition is not good. You can see it's torn at the side. A little bit bad. This is bad. Okay, but a good motto is given here, like turn off and turn on. It's if you are not studying and all, it's best. Okay, now coming up with individual book. So I'll keep this a bit side and I'll start with the individual info on each and every book. So starting off with the first book. So one small book from Dale Brown, a very famous English author, that is Fatal Terrain. It's a huge book, you can see, but the condition is very good. So I had received a message that each and every book sent to me is like almost new. So all the books are almost new, and this is made of recycled. There's a sticker on this. I am recycled. So that's a good thing actually. So the book condition is good. I didn't read this book. That is a good thing. Next, another small book from Stephen King. So Stephen King, obviously one of the best authors from US actually. The Girl Who Loved Tom Gordon. So this is another book. Didn't read, especially these famous authors. Obviously not. I have never read these books. Last time I showed you my bookshelf view, and in that you might have seen which books I have read. All are local authors or Indian authors. Next is Jane Moore, Perfect Match. Another book, another good condition. These books, if you can see with yellow bind, it is like usually what happens is someone doesn't read it and it lies on the shelf for a long time. That time the owners of that bookshop, they just dispose it for waste. That time I guess these people from the NGO, they collect it and then sell it to us for like cheaper price. Next, I guess this book is a bit used. You can see the bind at the back is not proper. So this is a used book obviously. So Under the Eagle. So this book I wanted to read. There are 2 more parts of this book. One is Centurion and another one part is there. So this is a good thing they did, sending this book to me. Next, this book, Fetch Nurse Coney. So this book is not in a proper shape. If you can see, blackish colors, fades everywhere. So obviously, no one would have purchased this. So makes sense. Next, another book which is used, you can see here, someone scribbled over here. I guess this is a library piece. Usually, library pieces they do like this only on the books. They scribble, they scratch, but the book is in a good condition. That is more important. So it's Amy Blair, Flower of Scotland. No idea of these books. Never read any of this. First time I'm ordering, especially, or else every time I order from Amazon, choosing the like selecting the name and then selecting the book. So Annie Banker, A View Across the Mersey. So another book. This is a new book. Obviously, you can see the condition, absolutely new. But here and there, little bind has spoiled. Next, Katie Floyd. So this book is little bit old and it's crossed. So the bind also is crossed here. See? Didn't read this also. Rupesh Kumar, Potential Boyfriend. So this looks like a good book. It's a new book also. And looking at the book only, you can understand that it's a new book. Good thing. We got a new book. Another is Tasmina Perry, Original Sin. No idea again. I know the publishers of the book, the Harper. I have other books belonging to Harper. They do a nice binding on the books. So looking at that, it looks like new, but it's not new. That is for sure. So another good book. Okay, this book is little bit dusty. You can see the dust on my hand. So Wildflowers, another book which I don't know again. None of the books I know which is this, but it's a good thing. We'll get to read new books. So I don't even know the publishers, new publishers. Maybe United States version. Okay, this book is very colorful and touching. You can see glitters. So Amy's Honeymoon, very unique name. Book is in a good condition, so that's good. So one more, MJ Adledge's Liar Liar. No idea of the book, but it's in a good condition, and I am recycled badge is also there in this one. So these are all costly books because here MRP is like $2.50. It's not in Indian currency, so may not belong to this place. James Patterson. So this book I know. James Patterson is a very famous author, and he has so many books. I have one more book in the library that is belonging to James Patterson itself. So this may be good. This is the author. It gives like that fic only. So very interesting books of his. I know the author gladly. Next, okay, something is there in this. So this is used maybe when bookmark is stuck on the front. So the missing. So I guess this is the continuation of our. The author has already written one more book. From the bestseller author Lie, it seems. So another book. So it's done. Everything is empty. You can see. So 15 books they promised. Let me check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Yeah. So friends, a very good thing. Good experience. 5 stickers, a thank you letter, 5 bookmarks, 1 poster, 15 books for just $9.99. So please tell me how did you like this video. I personally like 99 Books Cart. So I'll put the link in the description below regarding how you can purchase from 99bookscart.com. So I personally like them to send all this stuff. Apart from this, you can get books for a cheaper price in the same link. So please do try purchasing from 99 Books Cart books. cart.com. And also please do like, share and subscribe my video, and press the bell icon so that you can get notified each and every time regarding my new uploads. So until next time, bye.